Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can delete Chase Bank transaction history. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, go over to any of your browser, log in with your account and follow the steps. Your Chase Bank statement is documentation that shows the financial transaction you made within a particular period. For instance, a typical Chase Bank statement shows the customer, their deposit and withdrawal for a particular month. It is with the add of a Chase Bank statement that you can see errors in your account or even check for suspicious activity. Most of the time, if you want to apply for a loan or a mortgage, you would need a bank statement, whether it's an online or offline format. A Chase account holder might see the same bank statement report if they have both a checking and a saving account in the Chase Bank. It is possible for a Chase customer to delete transactions from a bank feed or a manual statement upload. All the Chase account user needs to do is to click on the name of the transaction they want to delete and then select the option labeled More Options. Just select Delete this transaction in order to complete this transaction deletion process. It is important for a Chase customer to bear in mind that if a transaction has been deleted from a bank statement, that it cannot be recovered. And this is basically how you can delete Chase Bank transaction history. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.